Join me to colour in another flower from my Colouring Botanical Mandalas book. Today I felt like going to a limited colour palette with yellow and green calling me for some reason. It's got a bit cooler here in the UK, so it kind of has that lovely spring feeling, even though it is still summer. So I thought this daffodil would be lovely. So I've just got three different yellows here that I'm trying out, and I've used a different one on each part of the daffodil, and a little bit of blending on the leaves here. These two greens just blend so well together. I love using them in my colouring. And then I'm just going to go around the edge and fill in these teeny tiny little baby daffodils that I've got going on around here. It's a bit of an abstract design actually, and just finishing off there. Now I could go ahead and put a blue in the background, but I think I might keep it just as it is. So here's the finished design. Sometimes it's just so satisfying just colouring with a very limited colour palette. So I might add in the blue later on. Let me know what you think in the comments.